Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install motivated seller targeting with BatchSkip, complete guide step by step clearly. To install motivated seller targeting with BatchSkip, start by visiting the BatchSkip website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in using your credentials. On the dashboard, navigate to the targeting section. Select Motivated Seller Targeting from the options presented. Choose your desired geographic area for the targeted marketing. Specify the criteria that define motivated sellers in your market. You can filter by factors such as equity, ownership duration, and financial distress. After setting your criteria, review the target list generated by BatchSkip. Adjust the filters if you need a more refined list. Once satisfied with your selection, click on the Export button. Choose your preferred format for the export file. Download the file to your computer. Open your CRM or marketing software to import the data. Follow the software's guidelines for importing leads. Once imported, ensure all data fields align correctly. You can now begin your outreach to the motivated sellers on your list. Monitor the responses and adjust your approach as necessary. Return to BatchSkip regularly to refresh your targeted lists. Utilize additional features offered by BatchSkip as needed for your strategy. This process will help streamline your outreach to motivated sellers effectively. Now you're ready to maximize your marketing efforts with targeted leads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.